My husband bought these snowshoes at the last snowstorm. So they're short mini skis. Just one pair because I'm not brave enough, but he is. So, yeah, snow skates. I don't know why they call them snowshoes. They're snow skates. They attach to the shoe. And it snowed today, so we got an opportunity to try it out. It's hard to like slide on them.
It's not like it was a base on the sidewalk.
Because people have packed it down. I mean, it looks good from the back. You look like you're... Yeah, try ski down this hill. I don't know. I'm just kidding. Don't do anything that... They're not slick.
Yeah, I'm not going down that way. I want to put the pavement. At least the slopes you end up on snow.
Yeah.
Okay.
They look pretty cool. It's not deep enough. We only got about 2 inches, so he keeps hitting.
I keep hitting the ground.
You keep hitting the ground.
The sidewalk.
So.
And then you like scratch, you feel it.
Yeah.
And it throws you off. Because you're not gliding anymore. Like, you're on the ground.
Okay, yeah. This wasn't, it was only about, I don't know, maybe a foot. And it's very soft and fluffy. I'm getting a workout and having to run after him. He keeps hitting like bad patches.
That's it.
That's it.
Oh, shit.
But he still fell very gracefully.
Oh.
See, it's very... like
It's just... You hit the...
Yeah, it's like, you know, when you're skating and you hit a chip in the ice and it makes you lose everything. It's kind of like that. He's taking him off.
I keep hitting the damn ground.
So we need it. How many inches do you think you need to be able to use them?
You need 2 snows.
2 snows?
Yeah.
Here, hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
Okay, got it.
They pop on and off really easily. Look at that. How much did you pay for these?
It was only $30.
$30? I don't know. I might have you get me a pair next year.
They're different than regular skis. Because regular skis, you don't strap them on like this.
Yeah?
They're boots. And they snap down into it.
We're going to keep walking
These are
around.
actually easier than this.
But, so it's a good first test run.
You hit that ground.
Yeah?
When you hit the ground, you hit the hard ground. You realize we don't have much snow.
Yeah, we don't have enough snow. This is like, it snowed like an inch yesterday, maybe 2 or 3 inches today, so less than a foot. Very light.
It's a powder snow, so it wasn't like the last one.
No, it's just he didn't get him in time for the last one. All right.
I kept hitting the concrete. They really dig in.
Yeah. What's that? The old skating movie where she always made the toe pit comment? Yeah.
Yep. You can see the ground from over here.
Yeah. A lot of people enjoyed walking around the lake today. So it's kind of packed down.
think on regular skis you can get across this.
Yeah.
It's so short though. They're weird. I feel like we need anything.
So this is the lake. It must have froze half of it for there to be snow on top. I can't tell if it's my glasses that are foggy or I got snow on the lens. Sorry if it's blurry. All right, we're gonna finish walking around the lake, but I'm not gonna record it unless he decides to put his snowshoes back on.